So this is the Ti-84 Plus, and I've been asked a few times about something like this. Let's say I'm dividing 9 divided by 160. You press enter and you get an answer of 0.05625, right? And you want to round this at a certain place. Let's say where the 5 is, right? Tens, hundreds. So how would you do that on the calculator? That's pretty straightforward. You press on mode, and then you go down to where it says float. Go across to 2 numbers after the decimal place. You press enter to make sure it grabbed it. Second mode to quit. And if I press enter again, it will automatically do it for me. And just copy it and paste it. And then did the operation, but you can see that the answer is now 0.06. This 6 changed and round that 5 to a 6. Okay? So it did what you wanted it to do. I don't know. Let's say you had something like 8.32 squared and you entered. Same thing, you see? It truncated to 2 numbers after the decimal place. So it'll keep that as long as you want. But don't forget to change it, because sometimes it's best to have all those numbers. Then second mode to quit, and now you can have all those values that you want. Well, let's see. Let's make sure. Doesn't look like it. Let's go to mode, float. We'll click on float. We'll say 9 divided by 160. Okay, that's good. Okay, those numbers do come out. All right. If this content was interesting for you, if it helped out, please consider subscribing. Please tell your friends. Please give a thumbs up to this video. Thank you for those who have supported the channel through Super Chat. I appreciate that. You have a great semester, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.